Good morning. Hey, got me in touch. I'm trying to superintendent issue number 5. I said, I'm trying to superintendent. So this issue, it's so fun. I said, yep. Now, the reading topic, we're not even for I go superintendent on my team all the time. I never for I able to see this superintendent bad, awesome, and it's been fun. So, the following was she had to move to Abby. So, yeah, it's pretty fun. Again, what do I mean by that? Well, you'll find out in them. So, it's really about it, and it's good, fun, more, man, trying to superintendent. Yep. So, enjoy the show. See ya. Autumn. As you can tell from my intro, as you can tell you love this book. Why? You'll find out. Let's get started. The cards are there in the past, but now, so, there we go. See the summit? The short one battle after people on with these warriors. Yeah, we see David Wayne, we see Hawk Girl, Superman. I think that's what's her name? I'm not sure. That's Cyborg. Yep. Oh, John. Yeah, John. That's Wonder Woman. Aquaman and Batman. That's cute. Oh, that isn't right in their timeline. Hang it away. These began projected not why it for sure, and so will be. So quite a pro joy at the judge Faust. Is why had they joined here? Good question. One of myself. Yep. And we said England, 1520 AD. That's the quote. No, Savage. The question is, how can we try to come out like these two? How we defeat the Mordecai warriors who always stand for cheer and glory? The mind tablet just scrapped away the top show of the memory. We have much work to do before we unveil all the secrets we need. But we wonder what Jordan in the past is because, well, the little girl I did try to put them out there in the past. Yep. And I try to work on and keep digging. 7. Mighty Timber. Do not speak of my temper. You have no idea the opinion it takes to live as long as I. Bad there. The blade must be heavy, but today is the point we pay with the most, Savage. War. Put the way to create the mess. Yep. 5-0. Bando. I need a lot of knowledge to continue to guide my work in these dark arts. Do not run from the opportunity. Slave, what are the prisoners? Oh, Rora is a slave. Wow, that's dark. Hey, what is it? Yes, sir. I'm getting at the future. Yep. There you go, dinner. Yep. Yeah, I am now. That's so cute. Come on, let's go. Johnny really like nothing. Aww, she's shivering. Johnny went to the escape. Yay! Uh-oh. Hey, dinner. That lady boy's here. She might have win. As in chapter 1. Yep. Wait, that's so cute! Hey, Johnny. Maybe she's down in that building somewhere. Maybe she is, but for now, we have to put some digital machine out and sell it back. This could be part of some kind of plan of this, too. And Johnny, it's weird. Every time I see it, they're doing it all the time. The future. Well, cool. Oh, it's called immortality. So they all do good. When they ever kids? Stop being an idiot. Wham. That's great. That's a visual wall. And Johnny, some kind of visual wall. You okay? Of course. Want to find for calling me an idiot? So funny. Well, I'm gonna start now. This is already bad magic. You finished this sauce? Uh-oh. Yeah. Okay. Start with magic. Then we trying to chop it. Brilliant deduction. How can anyone ever call you an idiot? That's great. Uh-oh. Yeah. You're trying, Marcia. Anyway, Martin, my lord, I hit the bat. D, I always say my strength. You're not harboring you're bringing up. It's heat-beating. I never, I should be humility. Take care before you lose your power. Sometimes you keep it in, but it doesn't work, right? Nothing. Matt and I don't always go well together. And I go get hit in the head. Ow. Matt said I had a hard head. Yeah, yes he has. I felt that. Uh-oh. And then they get eaten. By the giant. He flew up in the super dance. Ew. But that's very funny. Attack on Titan. And monster rate disintegrates, and David in there. We only got eaten. Damn it! We got eaten. But the monster, what happened to him? No, I haven't. Uh-oh. And we had Rora. About saying after you want to escape. But you did not, no, I let you escape. And you would not know that you did not die at that monster's hands. I want to help you. Oh yeah? Why is that? Because I want you to take me to the mall. Yep. And that's the comment. The comment back to the point about next Hawko. So yeah, now we know what Superman did in the past. They found Ben and Sarah, they found Barrett, and Rora wanted to go back in time, back to the past. Yep, and that's the comments. Oh yeah, I go to the future state. After reading Future State Fly, I have no hope for this series. They mean garbage. And fighting the C9 book, kill me. That could be much worse. It's better with the Flash book. After that Flash book is not garbage. Motherfuckers. Yep. And that's coming in. Yeah. What the? The Superman now go back to the present to fight Hawko? What's going on? What's going on? We're going to Superman. What's going to do it to the team? Say next time. Say Superman channel. Say Superman time as it comes. Yep. I am. As you can tell from my recap, John, you tell you love this book. Why? You'll find out. What's the other down? Holy Corner. Holy Corner organized, still good, so bad. I love Superman back in John Tennis show because damn it, I make John Tennis show. It's breaking on me rough. Good job for crap of Ben's garbage. Spread this happening, all is good, all is perfect in 10 and 10, 19, all is perfect in 10 and 8 parts. It's not again Holy Man, always, but it's still good, all is great, perfect in 8 parts. Look at the story itself. Okay. I'm a huge fan of Superman Peter DeMonte, and this has been fun. Even though it's a Doodle series, and yes, I am still presenting a Doodle series, it's still a fun series of art. And having Superman team up the fight pretty well, Brandon Savage and that actually pretty cool. Granted, we're not going to see in the fight Sam Bowers, but you know what? It's very cute at all, and we love the stories of art. Speaking of character duo, what's the new character Rora? Yeah, Rora might be actually a really cool character. I actually like her so much. She's pretty cute at all. Yes, in my opinion, she is at the age, well, the old lady from the present. But I love her story. And even though she's a slave the Savage, it's pretty cool she at the team with the Super Sons back. Yeah, since Rora is slave, I wonder how she had to get in contact with Faust. Because I'm getting found much actually like a recruiter, or maybe she was taken it by force from what family. Who knows? It's actually pretty interesting to see as they look in the future. I'm guessing again now we know why Rora sent them back to the past to talk to her younger self. I don't know why, but I'm still very intrigued by that. Speaking of Superman, let's get to the next for a sec. Back. Yeah, I enjoyed the break up. I mean, I pretty cute, adorable, and then I loved it in there so much. It's so cute, and look at the baby. And then I Superman no more. I love it in there. It's so cute, so adorable. It's very bad and awesome, and that's why I miss Superman. That's why now I'm so pissed that Ben had to destroy the team for crap. Like Bennett, why into a Superman? Why? Like what the hell? Like we can have more of this. I want more of this. Give me one, it's pretty, it's cute, it's awesome, and adorable. Heck, how should you fight this monster other big cute, adorable, as we bash? Heck. Yeah, even though they lose, they get eaten, which actually is kind of funny. Like, after we find out that the mother shoots them out because, well, he doesn't like John Damon, but that's right. That's great. Well, that had to be cute at all. It's like kind of like Attack on Titan. But only Attack on Titan was dark, brutal, and very, very not forgiving. There's more cute Attack on Titan, but it's so adorable. Speaking of should we look at the anime sec? Yeah, how does she not go back to the plan about Hawko? I mean, it's pretty interesting. But I want to know how to get back from the past to the present. Because that's the question I want to get answered, but it looks like we're not going to get that answer because the next issue is about Hawko. Well, that is cool. I want to follow more of this story. This story is not more fun or more interesting than the present. Look, the present is cool, but honestly, I'm more better in this story. But we all get an answer. Maybe chapter chapter 6 is the pick up chapter 3 left off. Also picked up we got the chapter 3, so now we know how to get back to the past, to the present, thanks to thanks to Rora. Rosa. But the question is though, how did she send them back from the past to the present? I'm guessing we're not going to answer that already, which is kind of a shame, but I don't know what we could do. I was trying to answer that question, but oh well. Heck. Because don't know, I love Tiger Super always have I love the series, even though it did the series with dark picture on me, angry and rage. But despite that setback, I still love the series, and I was hoping we don't to chapter 4, 5, and 6 to deal with more of the chapter in the past, because I think in the past it's falling in the story than in the present. Maybe that's just me, but I'm still very intrigued as to what happened in the Super Sons. I'm still very intrigued as to how to put very Sam and Faust, because these guys are two heavy hitters. They're not second stringers. No, these guys are heavy hitters, and I'm very intrigued how to put the Big Bang Savage and about the plan. Granted, we still don't know how to get the Doom Scroll. That's a question that never get answered. So I'm guessing in chapter. I'm guessing that now, thanks to this, we found out how Ben Seinfeld came with the plan to use the Doom Scroll. But we still don't know how they actually find the Doom Scroll. I mean, that's not important. Even though I think that is important, but whatever. Like I said before, I love the season so far. It's very cute at all. And just how we get Super Son back, that made me happy. And how much John Damien at Team again, because damn it, I miss Super Son, and think the cool thing I get Super Son, then so be it. And thank you to my bring my Super Sons, I can't wait to see happen next. But until then, we'll see happen. Now, after the story of all with the time of the story is so cool. I will have this story in the present than in the past. But no, we can't have this story. We have forwarded this story about business club. I'm not going to benefit from this garbage. Forget Future State, but with Super Sons, it's a good argument is. But, anywho, I'll talk about. Is this part? Oh, no, I'm going rating. With all that said, what I give Charlie Super Sons is number 5. I can count numbers, eh? 5, perfect, 8 bucks. If you're Super Sons like me, read this book. If you're out there, Super Sons, buy this book. So you think, the best book we had after they've been a long time. Forget Ben's Club, forget Future State. Read this. This is all my fun, all my bad. What is Future State? Future State is just unnecessary pointless filler. That means basically nothing. So read Super Son and forget Future State. And it's one fun time, read Super Son. But anywho, I'll talk about. Don't fall on Shine Super Son Chapter 5, Roar to Rescue. Pre-all Karma. See you guys in the story. Do I get to it? Have you tried Super Sons? What's me down there with the Super Son? Oh, shit. Pre-all Karma. Also, I can put it on Twitter. Pre-all Scout Channel. For Tip Star. Pre-get about Kanye. I was saying a story. But if you can, I told one more thing. How do you be able to say Hawk Girl? Or how would say about the judge to be? A pre-all Karma. And I was singing the longer Super Son. See ya. Bye. Somebody super. See ya. Bye, Super. See ya. Bye.